What up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Yes, I got the FRP out. It is almost time to bring this thing out and make some more videos. Don't mind how dirty it is. I just went for a little spin. I haven't went on it for a while now, because it is the end of winter. We got spring here. Summer's coming. And my birthday's coming soon, too. So, I'm pretty hyped for that. I'm getting a GoPro and a chin mount, which will be awesome. I'll be making some pretty better videos. If you guys have been experiencing the bad and annoying camera shake in the videos, that's because I was using my phone, and the weight of the phone was like bouncing on my body or something. I don't know. Why the heck do I hear a wasp? I don't know. But yeah, I'm also getting a new helmet. And yes, I still have this thing, but I'm gonna keep this just for now. But I will be getting a Fox helmet for my chin mount. And it will look pretty sick. These are just ski goggles. They work as good as usual, but I'm getting some new ones too. Some Havoc ones, if you've ever seen Sir Onster. He's got some Havoc goggles, and I thought they were pretty sick, so I kind of wanted some. And I might be getting some now, and they will look pretty sick. But yeah, that's for the helmet. I'm going to be riding in the summer with some friends maybe. We'll see. Not too sure yet. Pretty sure we will, because I'm pretty excited. And if you guys are too, then stay tuned, because I will be making some pretty good videos. Plus, I'm making a new channel. This is a clean, fresh new channel. I already have like a couple channels, but this one is, I haven't thought of a name for it yet, so I'm thinking, you know, I want a good YouTube channel for making good moto videos. So, yeah, I'm making a new entire channel for all that, with all of my videos for moto stuff and that, like riding mini bikes and all that with friends and just going on trails, all that type of stuff. But yeah, it'll be coming pretty soon. My birthday's on April, which is also pretty soon, next month. It's March right now. So, yeah. See you guys later, and stay tuned. See ya.